This is the easy way to play IOU by Lee Greenwood so that you can sing along.
But I owe you.
There are only 2 parts to learn, and if you can play them, you can play the entire song. So the first thing you're going to play is this G major chord, and then just move your left hand to make it a G over B. Then we go to a C with an added 2, then to a C over D. Those 4 chords, that's the first part. G over B, C add 2, and then C over D. Here's the second part. Back to the G again, and just move the left hand to make it a G over F sharp. Then move the left hand again to an E minor 7, and then go here to A minor 7, and just move the left hand again, make a C over D chord. If you can play those 2 sets of chords, you can play the whole song. Let me show you how.
You believe that I've changed your life forever, and you're never gonna find another somebody like me. And you wish you had more than just a lifetime to give back all I've given you, and that's what you believe. But I owe you the sunlight in the morning and the nights of honest loving that time can't take away. And I owe you more than life now, more than ever. I know that it's the sweetest debt I'll ever have to pay, 'cause I owe you the sunlight in the morning and the nights of honest loving that time can't take away. And I owe you more than life now, more than ever. I know that it's the sweetest debt I'll ever have to pay.